In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automation email on Moosend. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that welcomes new subscribers or follows up with shoppers without you lifting a finger each time. Start by opening your browser and searching for Moosend. Click the official result to land on the home page, then hit log in and sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click the Automations tab. This is your workspace for building the series of actions that fire based on what your contacts do. Next, click New. Here you can either create a custom automation from scratch or start from recipe if you prefer a ready-made template like Welcome Email Sequence or Abandoned Cart. Templates are great for getting started quickly, but custom gives you full control. You'll be prompted to select your trigger. This is the event that starts your workflow. You can choose options like when someone subscribes to any list, when someone views a product, or when someone opens any marketing campaign. Pick the one that matches your goal. For example, use a subscription trigger for a welcome flow, or a product view trigger for browse-related follow-ups. Decide whether the trigger should occur only once per subscriber or every time they take that action. A welcome email typically sends once, while an abandoned cart sequence can trigger each time someone leaves items behind. Below your trigger, click the plus symbol to add steps to your workflow. If you want a delay before the first message, select Wait a specific time interval from the conditional control steps. A short wait, like 30 minutes after a subscription, can feel more natural and prevent overwhelming your audience. When you're ready to send an email, go to the Actions tab and choose Then Send Email Campaign. Enter a clear, compelling subject line and a recognizable sender name so recipients know who's contacting them. For content, select Create New Content to open the editor and design something fresh, or choose Content from Campaign to reuse a design that already works for you. Before you turn anything on, double-check your triggers, delays, and email content. Make sure the timing makes sense, links work, and your messages match the purpose of the automation. A quick review now will save you headaches later. Finally, toggle the switch in the top right from inactive to active. Your automation is now live and will respond based on the trigger you set. That's it. Your Moosend automation is up and running, working for you around the clock.